Hi, I'm Dee and welcome to my channel. Encouraging others with hope and positivity as a family caregiver to my mom, aka Queen G, and as a full-time stay-at-home homemaker. A variety of videos sharing caregiving tips, cooking, gardening, decluttering, cleaning, hauls, meal planning, always in my planner, chatting, and sometimes a burst of laughs. No, I'm just kidding. Let's face it, things happen in life, so why not make it lovely? Good morning. So glad you stopped by. I've been upstairs editing in my office since the wee hours of the morning, and just now I'm ready to start my day with a tiny tidy. This is an open collab hosted by Sunday Dawn at the Helpful Home. Check out her channel and this week's playlist in my description box for more tiny tidy motivation. do a tiny tidy Tuesday to clean out my oven. And then I decided to bake. This is pretty much a realistic, everyday kind of tiny tidy of my mornings. This area has been the hot spot, or should I say catch-all. I try my best to keep up with it. So this tidy was exactly what it needed today. A lot of these things need to be placed back upstairs or looked into, like coupons that expired or not, or things that just need to be filed. These are my piles. This pile needs to go into my mom's wheelchair bag and van. This needs to go upstairs in my office, and this needs to be dumped in our recycling bin outside. All is tidied up downstairs, and now it's time for me to put on my caregiver's hat and get on with our day. For more Tiny Tidy Tuesday videos, click here, and don't forget to click on my face to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Until the next one.